so it doesn't escape. Here, pretty bunny rabbit.
Hit it strong. Hit it strong. Boom. That's right.
Oh, see, now it escaped, see? Let's put the bunny rabbit back into the hole. Okay. And a little one. Tap, tap. Hold your hammer. Tap, tap. One more. And again. A little one. Little one again. And now a big one. Oh, no, no. You can't hit it on the side. Because it falls down. I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay, watch. You go. Now it's standing up straight. And then you smack it home.
Yeah.
Okay, now your turn.
Okay.
You
Okay.
smack it.
It's a big hammer.
Yeah, it's a huge hammer. You have a huge hammer. My
You
hammer
smack
is
it.
big
Right,
and
you're gonna
strong.
hold it and you smack it.
I'm Jose.
You're Jose? Yes, you're Jose.
Yeah.
You're gonna do Butcher's Kitchen.
I am Jose.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tap, tap, tap.